Hi everyone. Today we're going to install Python on a Windows operating system, learn how to run Python code using the command prompt and Notepad, and also explore how to install and manage different Python packages from the Python PyPI website. So let's get started. First, open your browser, go to Google, search for Python, and click on the first link, python.org. This will take you to the official Python website where you can see code snippets, installation guides, documentation links, the latest updates, and upcoming events. As you scroll down, you'll also notice why Python is so popular. It is widely used in web and GUI development, plays a major role in AI and machine learning, supports scientific and numerical computing, and is heavily used in software development and system administration. In the success stories section, you can also see that Python is one of the most popular languages for machine learning and artificial intelligence. Now scroll back to the top, click on Downloads, and select All Releases to explore the different Python versions available. Here you will see a graph where red horizontal bars represent end-of-life Python versions, which are not supported or recommended for further development. Green indicates bug fix support, and yellow represents security updates. This helps you understand Python different versions with their current status. For example, Python 3.9 and earlier versions are no longer recommended for development, while Python 3.16 is currently under development. Below the graph, there is also a table showing the maintenance status of different Python versions, such planned, pre-release, bug fix, security, end of life. Moreover, another table provides us list of stable Python release version detail. Always choose a stable version for installation. Next, scroll to the top again, click on Downloads, and you will see options for different operating systems such as Windows, macOS, Android, and other platforms. Since we are working on Windows, select Windows to download the Python installer. Here, you will find installers for both 32-bit and 64-bit systems. To check your system type, go to Settings, select System, scroll to bottom to select About option and confirm whether your system type is 32-bit or 64-bit. In my case, it is a 64-bit system, so I will download the 64-bit installer. Once the download is complete, click on the folder icon to locate the file and double-click the setup file to run it. During installation, make sure to check admin privilege and the option to add python.exe to path environment variables so that Python can be accessed globally and used by other IDEs as the default version. You can choose install now for a quick setup, but here we will select customize installation. In the customization options, ensure that tkinter and the idle integrated development and learning environment are selected. Then click next and choose whether you want to install Python for all users or only for the current user. After selecting your desired options, click install. A Windows dialog will appear asking for permission. Click yes to proceed. Once the installation is complete, click close. To verify whether Python is installed successfully, open the start menu, search for command prompt and open it. Then type the command python hyphen hyphen version. If Python is installed correctly, it will display the installed version. Next, to run simple Python code, we can use the command prompt interactive environment called REPL, stands for read eval print loop. Type Python and press enter. This will open the interactive environment where you can write simple Python statements. For example, type print welcome to daily coder hour and press enter to execute it. To close the REPL environment, type exit and press enter. Now let's run Python code using Notepad. Open the start menu, search for Notepad and open it. Paste the same print statement into Notepad and press Ctrl S to save the file as welcome.py. Make sure to include the .py extension so that Python recognizes it as a script file. Save the file on your desktop. Then right click the file, select show more options, go to properties and copy the file path location. Then come to command prompt, use a cd command to navigate to that directory. You can view directory content by using the dir command to confirm the file is present. Then run the file using python welcome.py and it will print welcome to daily coder hour on the screen. During installation, Python also provides the Python command line and the ideal environment applications. To access them, go to the start menu and search for Python. Open the Python command line interface where you can directly write and execute simple code like print statements and run the code. You can also open ideal application by searching for it in the start menu. IDLE stand for Integrated Development and Learning Environment, which is a simple editor where you can write, paste, and run Python code easily, making it very useful for beginners. Now let's explore Python packages using PyPI. Go to your browser and either click the PyPI link from the Python website or search for pypi.org on Google. On this website, you can explore thousands of packages developed by the Python community. For example, search for the console print package. This package allows you to animate text in the terminal with different colors and can also be used to redirect outputs to files. Open the package page and copy the installation command. Remember, the standard format is pip install package name, and sometimes in notebook environments, you may add exclamation mark before pip install, but in command prompt, we simply use pip install. Now open command prompt, paste the command, and press enter to install the package. You might see a suggestion to upgrade pip, but that is optional for now. After installation, you can review the example code provided on the package page. I have already created a sample code using this package to animate text in command prompt. I will paste this code into Notepad and save it as dailycoderhour.py on the desktop. Once the file is saved, right-click it, go to Properties, and copy the file path. Then open Command Prompt, navigate to the directory using the cd command, and use dir command to confirm the file is present. To run the file, type python dailycoderhour.py and press enter. This will execute the script and display animated output in the command prompt. If you want to see all installed packages in your Python environment, you can use the command pip freeze, which lists all installed packages. If you want to uninstall any package, use pip uninstall package name, for example, pip uninstall console print. The system will ask for confirmation type Y and press enter to proceed. To confirm that the package has been removed, run pip freeze again and the package will no longer appear in the list. Next, you can watch my video on how to install and configure VS Code along with some useful extensions to boost your productivity. That's it for today's video. If you have any thoughts or experiences, drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.